do a shave outside and we're gonna see how mad we can make my neighbors. I have neighbors that don't necessarily love that I even live next to, and they're a little bit snooty East Coast people. So we're gonna go see how mad we can make them. Let's go do that. Welcome back, Subi Shavers, to another Subi Shaves video with me on a beautiful day. Hashtag Team All Blade and hashtag No Blade Left Behind, guys. Check it out. Take a look. We're in the backyard. Come with me. I know some of you wanted to see the outdoor shave, and today's challenge over on Lather Games. Hashtag, shave outside, be outside, enjoy some nice weather. It is raining slightly, so we may get a little bit of trickle here, but hopefully it's going to be a good shave. First, we're going to start this thing off with a little bit of off. Today's shave of the day starts with a little bit of off. We're just going to go right on. We got mosquitoes everywhere, guys. I got eaten alive yesterday. I was in doing some hiking yesterday, and I got eaten alive. I'll get some photos over here. Oh, that's a good way to start your day on the shave of the day, guys. Beautiful way to start the shave of the day with a little bit of off in the morning. Why not? We've got a beautiful shave setup today for you guys. Hopefully you're really gonna enjoy this, because I don't know if it's gonna happen again until the next Lather Games challenge pops up. We're gonna be using the Leaf, because you're outside, why not, right? We're outside, we're gonna be rocking the Leaf, plus I need an easy shave, because my conditions are not quite as perfect as I'd want them. Hopefully we're not gonna make anyone too angry, but we're gonna be using the Leaf single blade with two blades stacked on top of each other on the single slot here, guys. Really nice shaver. I swear by this razor. I tell you guys, when I'm looking for a shave that's gonna be difficult or that I know is gonna be challenging, or I'm out the door halfway, halfway out the door, this is the razor I pick up. I love this thing. Fantastic shaver. And honestly, for a head shave, I don't know if you can beat it. Today we're gonna find out how fast it can knock it down. We're using some Derby premium blades, guys, and I'm going to show you the loading process down here. We're using Orbit. Lather Games' challenge today is also use rose soap. So we're outside, we're enjoying it, we're taking it in, right? We're smelling the roses. They're throwing me softballs here. They're throwing me softballs, guys. Subi squad, what can we say? Squad goals. What can I, it's how we do it. So we're using some rose. This is Orbit. Very rose strong for me. I bought this scent because I thought it was gonna be like Northern Elixir from Noble Otter. I really did. I love the label here, guys. I really do love it. And I thought to myself, okay, how much rose can be in there? Well, this soap for me ends up being mostly rose. And I know I've heard them talk a little bit about like the scent combination and things like that. I get a really chilly rose combination. It's like 99% rose to me. All I smell, honestly, guys, is rose and like menthol. It's a really nice scent. It's really floral. And so for Rose Day, this for me is the go-to. This is one of the only scents that I can actually use and enjoy and still like get good lather with, and actually not hate, because I'm not a huge rose fan. I don't like jasmine. I don't love rose. I have to have it in very small, like little bits at a time. We're using Orbit Splash to go on top of that. You have to have the full concoction when you're outside, and we're going Space Odyssey because, right, you're outside, you're staring at the stars, and it does say, my God, it's full of stars. I love this label. Love it from First Line Shaves. Absolutely love it. And like I said, we're gonna go on top of that with a little off and a little shave cream from Pacific Shave Co. And yeah, I did. I had to bust it out, guys. I'm pumping it in. I have to get it in me. I have to. I got things coming. Lots to do today, and part of it had to start outside, which did slow me down. We're using Mountain Hare shaving, guys. Mountain Hare shaving brush. This is a blue and wood hybrid. This beautiful in my Moonscape scuttle from PAA. You guys see how big this is? Such a nice scuttle. And the reason why I'm using the scuttle today is I needed something to be able to do this and make my lather process easy because I'm outside. And the Noble Otter, guys, again, I cannot recommend Noble Otter enough. It's phenomenal base, guys. Phenomenal base. The scents are really spot on. They're really nice. And I feel like they're good, easy daily wearers. Really nice scent. Really good scent. All right, we threw on a little extra soap. Let's get this shave done. I do have a bowl of water sitting out right here next to me. A tub of water, more like. I have Sophie-san, who has decided to join me. And I am doing this. We are going to town on the outside with menthol. Rocking it, guys. Hopefully the picture quality here is not absolutely garbage. I don't really know. I've never done this. This is my first time. And last year, guys, the challenge came up to shave outside, and I couldn't do it because of hurricanes. Today it's raining. It is raining just slightly. You can see we have clouds and rain, but I am still doing it. It's not windy, so we're doing it anyway, guys. I just can't tell you how much I appreciate each and every one of you here. I was on the channel last night taking a look at things. We're at 750. 750, guys! We did it. Yes! We did. My backyard couldn't even contain us all. All the Subi shavers shaving outside the box, guys, and outside in general. Outside the house, guys. You know what I'm saying? Outside the house, even. I know some guys today are going to be using, you know, like, I think some guys are going to like take the easy route here and not do their full shave on the outside. I think someone will like shave a cheek and call it a day. Not us, guys. We are going full bore. I have to be a little bit careful. Like I said, I was out yesterday with my wife and my dog. We had an awesome time. We did some hiking. We went and saw State Park. And I got a bunch of bug bites, guys. I have bug bites all over my head. So today, I'm really thankful to be using the Leaf because I can shave over my bug bites and not be bleeding. I know that that's not like a thing most of my razors can do. I can't do that with all my razors. So I'm really happy and fortunate to be using Leaf today. The Leaf today, guys, was just honestly such a pick, and they are still an affiliate, guys. They still are letting me hang out with them and call myself part of their squad. And I have the discount code below that gets everybody here 5% off, which I still greatly appreciate. You know, honestly, I think that's awesome that even though we're doing things like this, Leaf's like, you know what, we're cool with it. I think it's awesome. I love the brand. I love that they're a company that stands behind newbies, right? People coming into the craft. There's not enough of us out here that are, you know, really representing the new shaving crowd, right? I love that this brand does. I think it's phenomenal. I think it makes shaving so much more approachable on this traditional style. I feel like Thoreau, guys. I feel like Thoreau at this current moment. We're shaving outside. We're underneath the rainbow. We're skittle-tastic. We got the dog in the background. I don't know if you guys have seen her walking back and forth. She is just having the best of times. Why not do this, right? Why not do this more often? This is interesting, guys. This is definitely not not my average cup of tea shave. You know, not my standard here. But it's really nice, very easy, and again, very, very happy to be rocking the Leaf with the BBS opportunities we have here with this razor. Because I honestly, I don't think I could be doing this consistently and easy, guys. Look at this. I'm outside right now. We're rocking out, and we're doing that kind of shave outside. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. I love this razor, guys. I've always said you can shave anywhere, anytime, any place with the Leaf. Today we're proving it. We are proving it anywhere, anytime, any place with the Leaf. Easy mode and still get a perfect shave without irritation, without nicks, without cuts, and without bleeding. And really, honestly, just nice and comfortable. Why not do it outside, right? Why not do it outside with the Leaf and prove it? Why not? That's right, prove it. Put your money where your shave is. Put your shave where your skin is. And let's find out, guys. This is really nice. I mean, honestly here, I'm not giving anybody the horse. All right, I'm not giving anybody the horse. Look at how close we are. Look at how close we are, guys. We did it outside. We did it on the outside of the house. Outside, in the backyard, having a good time. I can tell you this, the rose really complements the outside. I don't have roses here, but it kind of reminds me of my childhood. I had roses, my mom had roses outside as a child. So this is like almost reminiscent of my childhood. It's kind of weird. A little bit weird here. It honestly is nice. I think this is like the perfect, very apropos kind of shave to be doing outside. Really comfortable, really consistent, really nice, easy shave, guys. Really good shave. Right here, this is why I support the brand. Right here, so I can do this kind of nonsense and still get a phenomenal shave, right? Because I needed a shave that I don't need to go back inside and touch up. I need a shave that's gonna be perfect for the rest of the day if we're gonna do it this way. And honestly, I don't know if I could have done it with anything else other than the Leaf. Leaf really made that super easy. Super easy, guys, super easy, really fast, really comfortable. Wow, yeah, that is glass. Again, guys, I know some of us, I've mentioned this on one of my videos just recently. Some of us have never felt what a glass head shave feels like. Nothing compares. It is second to none, guys, just like you guys. I hope this has been entertaining for you. I hope this made your Sunday kind of fun, kind of interesting, and kind of exciting. Just unique, different, and that's why I love the Lather games, is because it does challenge us to do things that we've probably never done, or we've done and never done successfully, or, you know, just get you out of your routine, right? It's a fun way to get out of your routine, and I really am enjoying it. I hope you guys have enjoyed the content. I know it's faster. I know it's fast and furious, guys, but that's sometimes all the shave you can do. Look at this. That is BBS outdoors, guys. BBS outdoors. And that's pretty cool, man. That doesn't suck. I'll tell you that. It doesn't suck. It's not bad. It is not bad at all. Wow. Guys, it is so smooth. It is so darn smooth. I forget when you use the Leaf how easy that is to get that smooth. Oh, so good, guys. And no bug bite so far. No bug bites so far. All right, we're going on top of that with the Orbit, with the Rose,
And the cold, holy crud almighty darn the heavens. It's cold, guys. It's freezing cold. The Orbit Splash is ice. It is like running ice over my head. It is super chilly, very rose forward, very nice. We'll go on top of that with a little Space Odyssey. Keep in mind, this is an homage to Versace Eros, and that is the blue bottle. That is the blue bottle for this one. Really beautiful scent. I love this scent. It's one of the ones that my wife liked and then stopped liking. Look at this. And so I don't know. I love it still. I think it still smells like sexy man smell. And she'll like it. She'll like come sit by me. She's like, "Ooh, I like that." And then like 10 minutes later, she's like, "Too strong." It's a very strong scent from First Line Shaves. I have the original Versace, and I actually think this one's a little bit stronger for me. It wears like really strong throughout the day, and it contrasts well with the rose. Really nice shave, guys. We did it. We are outie. We have a beautiful shave. I hope your guys' day is phenomenal. It's fantastic. It's phenomenal, fantastic. It's phenomenal, fantastic, guys. I hope your guys' day is awesome. I'll catch you in the next Subi Shaves video. That's probably going to be on the inside. Hashtag Team All Blade. Hashtag No Blade Left Behind. Subi out.